Thank you for volunteering to chaperone Manufacturing Day. This is a wonderful opportunity for our students to explore careers within their community. As you begin to prepare, please remember that these companies spend months creating a fun and valuable experience. Our job is to bring them engaged, enthusiastic students. As the chaperone, you are the face of your school. Your role is to create an atmosphere of excitement around the day by encouraging students to listen, behave, and interact with their guide appropriately. Providing your students with clear expectations of appropriate dress and behavior is critical to the success of Manufacturing Day. Please share these expectations with your students before they get on the bus to ensure a successful tour. To help you prepare, the Manufacturing Day Committee has provided a chaperone checklist with everything you need to know and discuss with students to have a successful event. Dress code. Please be sure your students are not wearing open-toe shoes. This is a requirement from our host sites as students will be on the shop floor. It is also encouraged that they wear comfortable shoes as there is a lot of walking. Students should wear their Manufacturing Day t-shirts on the tour. At least 3 days before Manufacturing Day, please check to ensure that you have the correct number of shirts. However, it is recommended that you do not pass out the t-shirts until the morning of the tour to ensure that all students are wearing one. Student engagement. Please talk with your students about body language. Many teenagers do not yet realize the power in nonverbal communication. They can look unengaged and bored without even realizing that is the impression they are giving. The best way for them to show engagement is to ask questions. If possible, help them prepare some in advance. If you find students are not asking questions, be prepared to ask questions on their behalf. Sometimes a chaperone speaking first makes students feel more comfortable to speak up themselves. Student behavior. Remind students that they are not to touch anything on the shop floor unless they are invited to do so. They should be respectful of their host site and remember that they are still open for business, so don't be too loud and always stay with the group. Due to customer privacy, many companies do not permit pictures to be taken. Please be sure students ask before their phones come out of their pockets. Student feedback and trading cards. Trading cards should be distributed to students as they enter the bus. This will allow them time to look through them on their ride to the host site. Students should bring the cards with them as they tour, as some of the companies will be incorporating them into their tour. On the bus ride home, have students locate the card with the student survey information. Please encourage them to take this brief survey. Students who complete the survey will be entered into a drawing for a gift card. And finally, communication. As the chaperone, it is extremely important that you stay in communication with your host site. These companies spend a tremendous amount of time preparing for your visit. Communicating your exact arrival and departure time is imperative. It is also important to communicate the exact number of students who will be attending. These companies often purchase swag and/or snacks for the students, so if they expect 30 and only 10 arrive, or vice versa, it does appear disrespectful of their efforts. On behalf of the Manufacturing Day Committee, we truly want to thank you for your willingness to participate in Manufacturing Day. If you have any questions as the day approaches, feel free to reach out to myself, Shannon Williams, or my colleague Leslie Fletmeyer, and we will assist you to the best of our ability. Have a wonderful tour.